I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies brownies. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of brown sugar. Also, prepare 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable baking experience from the very beginning. This preparation step is crucial for success. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and both sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs, one at a time, making sure each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, gradually add your dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Avoid overmixing for the best texture. With your brownie batter ready, it's time to create the delightful cookie layer. First, prepare your favorite chocolate chip cookie dough. Take about 2/3 of this cookie dough and press it evenly into your prepared baking pan. This will form the delicious and chewy base for your brownies. Aim for a cookie layer that is approximately 1/2 inch thick to ensure a perfect balance of textures in every bite. This step adds a wonderful surprise. Almost there. Carefully pour your rich brownie batter over the pressed cookie dough layer in the pan. Then, take the remaining cookie dough and drop it in small, delightful dollops evenly over the top of the brownie batter. Bake your brownies in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Let them cool completely before cutting into 16 perfect squares and enjoying your amazing creation. Happy baking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.